Hello, welcome to another day of class. Today is Tuesday, August 11, 2020, and in our math class we are going to have a review in our book page 44. So, in book page 44 you have some exercises that you're going to work with them as a review about all the topics that we have seen through all those days until now. But before that, first, what you're going to do is that you're going to copy the date in your note. You're going to copy the date. And today is Tuesday, right? August 11, 2020. After you finish to copy the date, what you're going to do is that you're going to copy the 3 times table worksheet that I have here. You're going to copy the 3 times table for you to practice. So, here in those blank spaces, you are going to write the correct number according to the factors that you have to multiply here. So here we have 3 times 1. How much is it? 3, right? So you're going to write number 3 here. 3 times 2, the same, 3 times 3, and 3 times 4, and all the table. After you finish with that, you are going to start working on page 44 of your books. Page 44. And the first exercise is about to write the values. So you're going to count the money that we have here. You're going to count the money and you're going to write the correct value in each one of those places. Then in the next exercise, you're going to write the times. Here you have like a line, a space, and in this part you're going to draw the man's hand, the hands in the clock. Then what you're going to do here in the next exercise is that you're going to write the round to the nearest 10 first, to the nearest 10, and then to the nearest 100. So you're going to complete them, and I'm going to check them on Wednesday. The last exercise that you're going to complete is exercise number 1 and 2 in the back side where there says homework. So the last exercise that you're going to work with is this one. How many dollars do we have? So you're going to count how many dollars do you have. So they are 20. They are $20. So you're going to count 20 plus 20 plus 20, and then you're going to write how much do we have. And at the end you're going to write the commas here in each one of those numbers. I'm going to check those exercises on Wednesday. And that was everything for today's class. Hope you are fine at home. Please keep safe. I'm sending blessings from the Lord for you and your relatives. And I'm sending you kisses and hugs. And that was everything for today. See you on the next class.